Getting rid of all of this. Just some different pieces the girls have collected and I've collected from thrift stores. Just no longer need them. And I just don't like fake stuff. I also don't know which heart to part with. My mom gave me this one. My son made me both of these. And then this is just a natural wood one. Maybe I'll get rid of that one. Hi friends, welcome back to another speed cleaning video with me. How are you guys? What is going on today in your lives? Let me know in the comments. Today I am going to be trying out a new collagen powder from the Collagen Co. I've used their products in the past and I really enjoy them, so I'm super grateful they're sending me this one to try and share with you guys, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, so this laundry system we got going on, like I'm always trying to work towards better systems. You guys know that. So what's going on is my first drawer to my right is my undergarments. Under that, I keep all my tops. To the left of that drawer is all my shorts and like rompers. And then on the bottom is my pants. So the rest is going to be this drawer for my two girls who are 5 and 3. And then my top drawer on the left is for my 1-year-old. So it's working fine as of like 2 days going on, but we'll see how it turns out. I mean, I really don't want to have more clothes than they need, so it kind of gives me good boundaries, and I can easily sort and see what they don't need, what they don't use, and we can go through it easily this way. Kids' clothes that they've grown out of. I am so excited to be working with Collagen Co. again. This is like an early Christmas present. All right, let's get into it. You know what I love most about this collagen is that they use a green coffee bean extract for the caffeine. So you're getting a good, clean caffeine boost. No crashes, and it's just going to give you that extra collagen with that skin glow as well. So it's a win-win. It's exciting. It's a glass bottle. I love it. It's so beautiful. How awesome is that? So excited. Thank you, Collagen Co. This is my third collagen from them. Banana milkshake. We've also done the iced coffee. So good. All right, so let's go ahead and make this beautiful energy strawberry kiwi. Let's go give it a shot. Looks like a tornado. So I'm always looking for something to just get me out and get me going before the day, before I gotta go get things done. I have purchased Collagen Co. on my own as well. It's not just a sponsored thing. I'm not just promoting it. I truly enjoy this product and I feel like it works. So if you give it a shot, hashtag Rebecca10. We'll get you that 10% off, and we will chat soon. Let's get some work done. I'm not gonna lie, my closing shift has been lacking lately. I don't know what it is, but when I get off my routine, I really dread doing the dishes. Like, it takes everything in me. I will soak the dishes. I will re-soak the dishes, and you know what? I just do not want to do them, but I'm gonna get back on track. I'm gonna finish my energy, my collagen, and we're just gonna knock it out. Stay so motivated, my friends. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.